throwing food is throwing blessings. That's why, para iwas malas, okay? Iwas sa hindi inaasahang pagsasayang ng blessing, make sure na hindi tayo magtatapon, walang mapapanis na pagkain. Okay? Say for example, as we receive the New Year on the midnight, syempre, naghanda tayo buong araw, tapos dating ng pagpatak ng alas 12, ayun na, we do all the rituals, we do all the belief, nagpaingay tayo, nagdasal tayo, and everything. Tapos, kainan na. After kainan, di ba, konting kwentuhan, games, may kantahan, yun. It's all about happiness. Tapos niyan, syempre nililigpit na natin ang pagkain. Make sure that if meron kayong mga sobrang mga pagkain, have it refrigerated. Have it keep